Is deadlift so scary? It shouldn't be in the first place. Personally, I prefer the trap bar versus the barbell deadlift because all users have the opportunity to build lower back strength while reducing tension along the lumbar spine. The trap bar helps all beginner and tall athletes to make the most out of this powerful compound movement. Now, let's talk technique. While getting inside the trap bar, make sure to place your feet wide apart, keeping the back closer to your feet for a better grip and better performance. Make sure to push your hip hinge back while engaging your back straight. Create the neutral spine, which is the key to a great performance. Fix your hip hinge and engage your core, and make sure to engage your lats. Key point: remember to squeeze your glutes and drive the bar with a decent tempo, keeping all the tightness we create during the whole time. Your neutral spine, once again, is the key. If executed correctly with a great form and technique, the trap bar deadlift helps build strength along the whole back and a stronger lower body with a load of testosterone, which is the key point of every single workout. A compound movement as a deadlift is a powerful tool that provides so many benefits to the whole body for female and men. If executed well, deadlifting helps build more strength, a tone lifted butt, build a total lower body strength, and better core engagement, and help release higher level of testosterone and HGH, human growth hormones. Higher level of testosterone help with faster recovery time, more strength, more lean muscle mass, and a boost of libidos for better energy level day to day. A movement as deadlift is one of my favorite because they promote total muscle growth engagement, lean muscle mass, more strength in the whole body as legs, back, arm, and shoulders. Focusing on form and great technique help also for better posture improvement and a better life quality. Deadlifting will not only help you build abs of steel, but also help for better performance in your day-to-day movement.
you